Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing a premium home fitness product that seriously stepped up my home fitness game. This is the THERUN Incline Treadmill, and let me tell you right away, this thing is built for real fitness. Whether you're walking, jogging, or full-on running, it's made to perform. You're going to see this treadmill in action, close-ups and key features, and I'll walk you through everything I've learned after actually using it. So this isn't a spec read-off, it's the real deal. Let's start with what makes the THERUN Incline Treadmill stand out. First, we've got a 0 to 15% auto incline range. This is one of my favorite features. You can simulate hill training or just crank it up to burn much more calories in less time. The incline adjusts smoothly mid-workout, which I appreciate. No jerky transitions. Speed range, 0.6 to 10 miles an hour. Whether you're just getting started or sprinting, you're covered. I've been using it for interval training, and it's handled every pace I've thrown at it. Under the hood, it's powered by a 3.5 horsepower motor, quiet but powerful. You can feel the strength, especially when you're on a steep incline. It doesn't lag or hesitate, even with very quick speed changes. It can support up to 300 pounds, and the running surface is a spacious 47 by 17 inches, which gives you plenty of room to move around naturally. I've tested other treadmills that feel narrow and cramped. This one does not. Comfort-wise, this deck is the next level. It has a dual layer design with rubber shock absorption, and you really feel the difference. It takes the pressure off your knees and joints, especially if you're running or recovering from injuries. Another huge plus, swift connectivity. If you like immersive or competitive training, this is a game changer. I've synced it with Swift to run virtual routes. It also tracks performance and helps you stay motivated. It's a whole new dimension to training at home. You can pair it automatically with the treadmill. Overall, what I really like about the THERUN treadmill is that it doesn't feel like a home version of gym equipment. This thing is legit. It's sturdy, smooth, and smart. I've done the 3+ mile runs, interval sprints, incline walks, and the recovery jogs, all on this, all comfortably. And let's be honest, home equipment only works if you want to use it. THERUN nailed it. With user comfort, ease of use, connectivity, you can jump on, tap a few buttons, and start moving. No hassle. No startup lag, just go. If you're serious about your fitness or looking to upgrade your home gym with something that can grow with you, from beginner to advanced, this is 100% worth checking out. I'll link the exact model I'm using below. It's THERUN Incline Treadmill. Full specs are there if you want to dive deeper. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if you have any questions I didn't cover. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more hands-on gear reviews. I've got more fitness tech coming soon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.